formation of the partner's capital account. Is it visible, everyone?
Yes, sir. It's visible.
Okay. And all right. So I'm sure everybody is able to recall that when it comes to the formation of the partner's capital account, we have two methods. One of which is the fixed capital account, and the other one is the fluctuating capital method. Fixed capital method and the fluctuating capital method. So let's first of all talk about the fluctuating capital method. Under the fluctuating capital method, what do? We just prepare one single account. All right, one account is prepared by the name of partner's capital account, and all the transaction, whether it is related to the interest on capital, profit, salary, commission, everything. In fact, the interest on drawing, everything is recorded at one single place if we are following the fluctuating capital method. But when it comes to the fixed capital method, we have to prepare two account, two separate account. All right, partner's capital account and the current account. We'll talk about that later. But when it comes to the fluctuating capital method, we just have to prepare one single account wherein we record all the transaction relating to partner at one single place. If we have paid the interest on capital, that should be recorded on the credit side, commission being paid to partner, salary being paid to partner, everything in relation to partner is recorded at one single place. Apart, besides the interest on capital, salary, commission, we also record the capital balances of the partner in that particular account only. All right, so let me just read it for you. Uh, I'm sure that this is visible to everyone clearly. It is written that it is a method of preparing the capital account wherein only one account is prepared. That is that is partner's capital account. Just a second. Okay. Then it is a type of capital account which changes or fluctuates every time there is addition in capital or when capital is withdrawn. Interest on capital, profit, salary, commission will all appear on the credit side, and interest on drawing appears on the debit side. Okay, so what are the various component of the capital account? These are various component, like it contains the opening capital balance. It also shows the addition being made to capital by the partner. Then partner salary, partner commission, interest on drawing, interest on capital drawing of partner, interest on drawing, closing capital balances, everything in one single account. This is how we prepare the partner's capital account if we are following the fluctuating method. I hope this is clear, everyone. On the credit side, you can see we write down the on the credit side we start with the opening balances by balance BD, then the salary, commission, interest on capital, and P&L appropriations profit is everything written on the credit side, and the drawing being made by the partner and interest on drawing and balance closing balances of the partner will be recorded there on the debit side. Okay, now we have to discuss a question so that it makes things more clear for you. How do we actually prepare the partner's capital account? So this is the question. I want all of you to take the screenshot of this question. Everyone, kindly take the screenshot of the question and just let me know once you are done. Done, everybody? Yes or no? Everyone, please confirm if it is clear or not. If the screenshot is taken or not.
Sir, taken, but can you remove that from the other side? Some information is not being shown.
Okay. I cannot do much about it. I think you have to take two screenshots. I can just move it a little. Okay. All right. So everyone, I just want all of you to prepare the partner's capital account for this question, and now also prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. Okay. I want all of you to prepare the P&L appropriation account as well as the capital account for this question. Will you be able to do that? Students, please confirm, will you be able to prepare the P&L appropriation for this question and the partner's capital account?
Let's try.
Okay, just give it a try. Meanwhile, I'll try to download this PPT, because unless I'll unless I download this PPT, the application will keep on showing me the ads. Okay, so that will be a little annoying. So just give me a moment so that I can just download this PDF or the PowerPoint, and then if you're not able to solve it, I'll help you understand and explain it. Solve the question for you. Okay, just give me some time. Meanwhile, all of you attempt this question.
Sir, can you show that question again, sir? The screenshot, what I have taken, what I have taken, it's not so clear. Can you show it again, sir? That question.
Yeah, just give me a moment.
ये है रमी सर्कल के चैंपियन जिन्होंने
You have
रमी
to
की
begin
दुनिया
with the
में अपनी
ads.
पहचान
Kindly
बनाई है।
wait for
मेरा नाम विष्णु है। मेरा
20 minutes, 20 seconds, sorry. Yeah, this is the question. You can now take the screenshot if you wish. Done, everyone? Done, everybody?
So here's some.
Done? All of you? Mariam?
Not done, sir. We are doing.
Done, okay. You are doing what? P&L appropriation is done. Everybody? Just tell me the divisible profit as per the profit and loss appropriation account. Tell me if anyone have completed it. Tell me the value of the divisible profit in this question. See, in this question, divisible profit will be 3161. Just a minute. I think everything is so messed up. Okay, yeah. So the divisible profit that you should be getting is 31619. Kindly confirm if anyone have got the answer. Okay, I don't think anybody have completed it, so I think I'll have to do it for you. Just a moment, give me a second. All right, so first of all, in this question, we are supposed to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. So let me show you how we'll do that. Okay. So the net profit which is given in the question is, as you can see, if you have taken the screenshot, the net profit given in the question is 50,000. Oh, sorry. Yeah, net profit is given as 50,000, right, everyone? So we can write that here by net profit as given in the question, 50,000. Is that correct? After that, question says that interest on capital is required to be paid to the partner at the rate of 6% per annum. So on the capital contribution by A and B, we will be paying 6% interest on a per annum basis. All right. So 6% on 50,000 will be 3,000, and 6% on 30,000 will be 1,800. Okay. So to interest on capital for A and B, it will be 3,000 and 1,800. Totaling this, we will get 5,000. Apart from these interest on capital, B will also be getting salary. So to B's salary, right? And this will be 6,000. Why? Because question says that B will be getting salary at the rate 500 per month. So 6,000 for the entire year. Then it says commission is also required to be paid to B. B will be getting a commission of 5% on profit after deduction of all expenses, including such commission. All expenses including such commission. So for that, we'll have to prepare an extra working note. Got it, everyone? And A will also be getting a commission on 2% of the turnover. So let me first of all calculate the turnover for A, commission for A to commission. Both the partners will be getting commission, A and B. In case of E, A will be easily be able to calculate the commission, which is 2% on the turnover. Turnover is also given in the question. It is given as let me find just a moment. Yeah, total turnover is given as 3 lakh. I am sure everybody is able to see that total turnover is 3 lakh. On 3 lakh, we'll calculate 2%. So on 3 lakh, 2% will be calculated, which will be equal to 6,000. Whereas for B, how much commission will be paid? For that purpose, we'll have to first of all deduct all expenses out of profit. So for that purpose, we'll have to make an extra working note. Working note number 1. Calculation of, just a second. Calculation of commission for partner B. All right. Now, as it says in the question that B will get commission 5% on profit after deduction all expenses, including such commission. So what do we need to do? We'll first take the amount of profit which is given in the question, net profit which is given in the question, 50,000. Out of that, we'll subtract all the expenses. We'll subtract all expenses like interest on capital that we have to pay to the partners, interest on capital. Okay, interest on capital which is to be paid to the partner is how much? So 3,000 plus 1,800, that is 4,800. Yeah, I think I made a mistake here. Just a second. It should be 4,800. Okay. Then apart from the interest on capital, we need to pay the partner's salary as well. We'll subtract that as well, partner's salary. 6,000 will be subtracted. And commission that we need to pay to A will be subtracted as well, which is also 6,000. Okay. After deducting it, profit after reducing all expenses will be 33,200. Profit after deduction of all expenses. Okay. Now, in order to find out the commission, B's commission, what we'll do, B's commission will be calculated like this. Pay attention, try to understand. B's commission will be calculated 5% on this value, but it will be calculated like this: 33,200 on this value. We'll calculate 5%, but we'll be dividing this by 105 as well. So whenever it says that commission need to be paid after deducting the commission itself, in that case we calculate the commission like this: 33,200 divided by 105 into 5%, or into just 5 by 105. Now you will get the value of the commission as 1581. This will be the commission for B. Okay, so now we'll write that here. B's commission will be on 33,200 5 by 105, and which is 1581. Got it? Now the remaining profit will be considered as the divisible profit. So the remaining profit will be transferred to partner A and B in the profit sharing ratio to profit transfer to A and B. So 31,619 will be the profit after deducting all expenses, and out of that, since partner A is A and B are sharing the profit and loss in the ratio of 3:1, so out of 31,619, 3/4 of the profit, which will be equal to 23,714, will be transferred to partners A account, and the balance value 31,619 into 1/4 will be transferred to the B's capital account, which will be 7,905. And then we'll total both the sides of the account, and we should be getting equal balances on both the sides, which is 50,000. Got it? So this is how we'll prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. I hope this is clear, everybody. Abin, Halima, and Mariam. Kindly confirm if this is clear or not. Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Clear, okay. Okay, all right. So moving back. Now we need to prepare the partner's capital account as well. So for that, just a minute. Because there are two partners now. So partners capital account. Column for particulars. Partner A and partner B. Then again column for particulars and partner A and B. Okay, so first of all, in the partner's capital account, since we are preparing the partner's capital account on the basis of the fluctuating capital method, so what we'll do, we'll write down the opening balances of the partner's capital account, which is already given in the question. So by balance BD, this will be the opening balance by balance BD, 50,000 and 30,000. All right. Apart from this, we'll record every value that need to be transferred to partner's capital account. Whatever the partners is going to get, like partners will be getting salary, commission, interest on capital, everything need to be written in on the credit side. Whatever the payment that we'll be making to the partners account need to be written on the credit side. So we'll write down salary one of the partner is getting the salary, na? So by salary, B partner is getting salary of 6,000. Then we need to pay the commission as well, and commission is being paid to both the partners. A will be getting commission on turnover 6,000, and B got 1581. We just prepared the working note for calculating the commission of the B partner. Apart from this, interest on capital need to be paid as well. Interest on capital will be transferred to A and B's capital account, which is 3,000 and 1,800. Got it. After that, the profit that that partners have generated, that need to be transferred to their account as well. So by profit and loss appropriation account. So 2, 3, just a minute. Yeah, 23714 and 7905 will be transferred to profit and loss appropriation account. Apart from this, question further state that both the partners have withdrawn some amount from the partnership as well, from the firm as well. So that need to be recorded on the debit side. Drawings made by partner. Drawings. 8,000 has been withdrawn by A and 6,000 withdrawn by B. This should be debited. Now we have recorded everything. All we need to do is just make the total. Totaling this, we will be getting, first of all, totaling the A's balance, we'll get 82714, and out of this we'll subtract 8,000. So after subtracting 8,000 out of it, we'll get the closing balance. This will be written as to balance CD. Okay, and closing balance will be subtracting 8,000 out of 72, we'll get 74,714. Done. This is it. And now we'll total the A's debit side. We'll get 82714 on this side as well. And now totaling the credit side of the B's capital account, we'll get 47286. And out of that, we'll subtract 6,000. And after subtracting 6,000, we'll get 41286. And then totaling the debit side as well, we'll be getting 47286. Done. Since both the sides are tallying, that means we did the question correctly. I hope this is clear, everyone. Kindly confirm if this is clear or not. Is this clear, everyone? Okay, nobody's responding. I'm presuming that everybody is clear about this. Now we'll discuss one more question. Okay, and I want you to take the screenshot of this question as well. Yeah, kindly take the screenshot of this question, please, everyone. Let me know whenever you are done. Done, everyone?
Done.
Okay, so in this question as well, you need to prepare the P&L appropriation account as well as the capital account. And since we are just discussing the fluctuating method, so you need to prepare the capital account by the fluctuating method only. All right, give it a try, everybody. Question number 26. I want all of you to give it a try. We have around 15-16 minutes in today's session, so I want all of you to complete this question within that time. Everybody have taken the screenshot now, because I'm going to stop sharing my screen now. Taken. Okay, so please try, everyone. Done, everyone. Just confirm whether the P&L appropriation is done for this question or not. Halima, you're doing it? Abin,
Yes, done.
done. Okay, and could you please tell me the divisible profit for this question?
I said I was doing.
Okay. All right, take your time, do it. And what about everyone else? I'm sure everybody is done with the profit and loss appropriation account at least. See, while preparing the profit and loss appropriation account, as the profit is already given there in the question, as everyone can see, 33360 is the profit net profit given in the question that we will be writing in the on the credit side of the P&L appropriation account, right, everyone? I'm sure this is done, everyone. Tell me if this is clear or not. Apart from this, just a second. Okay, apart from this, question also talks about that the interest on capital need to be paid to the to all the partners on their capital contribution, which is 5%, right? Everyone is able to see this. 5% interest need to be paid.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that need to be shown in the on the debit side of the profit and loss account, profit and loss appropriation account, 2005 1500 1250. Apart from this, question further says that Amal will be getting a salary of 250 per month. So 250 into 12, the total salary for the entire year will be 3000. Got it? After that, it says Bimal would receive commission of 4% on the net profit after deduction of the commission, interest on capital and salary from it. So we need to calculate commission of Bimal after deducting the commission itself, interest on capital and salary from it. So in order to find out the commission, we'll have to prepare a working note. To find out the Bimal's commission, we'll be preparing working note wherein first of all we will be writing the net profit, and out of this we'll subtract the interest on capital and partner salary. Why we are doing it? Because Bimal's commission will be on the net profit after deducting interest on capital and partner salary. Okay, and it also says that it need to be paid after paying the commission as well. So whenever it says that commission need to be calculated after deducting the commission itself, at that time what we'll do, will simply first of all reduce all the expenses, and after reducing all the expenses we'll get 25,610, and we'll multiply this by 4% and divide it by 104, just the way we did in the previous question. Okay, I hope this is clear, everyone. We got 25610 after deducting the interest on capital and partner salary. Then in order to find out the commission, what we did, this is not manager commission, this is B's commission. What we did, the divisible profit into 4 by 1 by 4. So this way we'll get the commission of Bimal, which will be 985, that will be recorded on the in the profit and loss appropriation account. Got it? Apart from this, question in the D adjustment, it says after deducting all of these, 10% of the profit should be transferred to general reserve as well. So after deducting all of this, the remaining profit will be 24625, and on that we'll calculate 10% reserve that will be transferred to the reserve, that will be debited to the P&L appropriation account as well. So 2462.5. And after reducing this, we'll get the divisible profit 22162.5, which will be divided among all the partners in their profit sharing ratio, Amal, Bimal, and Kamal. And they will be getting 7387.5, 7387.5, and 7387.5 by because all the partners are the equal partner. And this way we'll be able to close the profit and loss appropriation account by totaling the debit and the credit side. Tell me if this is clear, everyone. The P&L appropriation is clear to all of you, yes or no?
Sir, I'm not able to understand that profit transfer to. How did you?
Just a minute. You're not able to understand this section.
Yeah, that profit to profit transfer.
Okay, you understood how we will be calculating the divisible profit. Out of this profit, we'll subtract all these expenses.
Yes.
Right? And after reducing these expenses, the remaining profit that will be there will be 2216 2.5, right? You understood till this point? You got it? Confirm, Eben, whether you are able to understand that how we will be able to get 22,162.5. I'm saying that we'll get this profit by subtracting all the expenses out of this profit.
Okay.
And since all the partners are equal partner, so this entire profit will be distributed among all the partners in the equal ratio. So just divide this profit by 3, 22,162.5 divided by 3. You will be getting getting 7387.5 for each partner. For Amal, Bimal, and Kamal, everyone is going to get the equal amount of profit. Why? Because everyone is the equal partner. All right, everyone. Is that clear now, Abin?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this way we'll be able to finish the P&L appropriation. Now we need to prepare the profit and loss. Sorry, the partner's capital account as well. So we'll start the partner's capital account by writing the capital balance, which is given in the question. Opening capital balance given in the question is 40,000, 30,000, and 25,000. Right? I hope this is clear, everyone. Then, since Amal is going to get the salary, we'll credit the Amal salary into her account, into his account, and commission. Bimal will be getting a commission of 985. Interest on capital will be paid to all the partners. Okay. All these values has been transferred from the P&L appropriation only. Okay. And then we'll transfer the profit as well, 7387.5, and this is it. After writing down the balances, we'll total the debit side and the credit side. Since there is no value on the debit side, so whatever the balance that we'll get on the credit side, that will be considered as the closing balance for all the partners. Got it, everyone? I hope this is clear, everybody. Tell me if this is clear, yes or no. Halima, Mariam, Abin. Abin, please confirm if this is clear.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So yeah, so this is all about the fixed capital, fluctuating capital method of partners capital account. Now there are a few more question in this PDF that I'll share with you. You have to attempt the remaining question based on the fluctuating capital method, which is question number 27. I think, yeah, there is only one question based on the fluctuating